Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 6.5 of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Firstly, see the right angle triangles, or you can say Pythagoras property of that right angle triangle. Now what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is that in which one angle is of 90. Okay, see in triangle three angles are there. Okay, always, and it is a closed figure. Now one angle is right angled 90 degree, then that triangle is called right angle triangle. Okay, now Pythagoras theorem always applicable to right angled triangle. Okay, now if the property of Pythagoras theorem applies on any triangle, that triangle will be right angled, so vice versa. Now see, this is a triangle, right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, so the side opposite to this 90 degree, that is called hypotenuse, this is called base, and this one perpendicular. Okay, now see what is Pythagoras says, hypotenuse square equals perpendicular square plus base square. This is the Pythagoras property. Okay, now here hypotenuse is a side, perpendicular is a side, base is a side. Now from these three variables, two will be given to you, either hypotenuse or perpendicular given, base they will ask you, either perpendicular base is given, hypotenuse they will ask you, or hypotenuse base is given, perpendicular they will ask you. Now you have to find these any one. Okay, now see how, in what way the questions are given. Now see question 1, PQR is a triangle right angled at P. Okay, now a triangle is given that is right angled at P. So this is P and PQR. So PQR, this is a right angle triangle. Now if PQ equals 10, see this one, PQ, this is perpendicular, this is given to you 10 centimeter. Okay, now PR, that is base, and that value is 24 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find the QR you have to find. Now that QR is hypotenuse, that you have to find. Now you know very well this is right angle triangle, so here you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square equals perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, now what is hypotenuse, that you have to find, and that is RQ. RQ square equals, what is P, that is QP or PQ. PQ square plus B, what is the value of B, that is 24, sorry, RP, in side form I am saying. Okay, now see RQ, that you have to find. Okay, take it same. Now what is the value of PQ, that is 10, so 10 square plus what is the value of RP, that is 24 square. Okay, now RQ square equals, this is 10 square. What is the meaning of 10 square? That means 10 multiply 10, not 10 multiply 2. This is 10 multiply 10. Okay, now see plus 24 square. Now see this is 576, 24 multiply 24, that is 576. Now when you add, you will get this. Now you have to find, either you will make this number to square of something, or the next you can make. Okay, now see this is RQ square equals, this is of 26 square. Okay, two methods, one way you can find, you can convert it to square of something, or you can take it as RQ equals square root of 676. Now you will prime factorization, do this number, and then pairing, two pairs you will make and take it out. Okay, now in this way also you can do square cut. Now RQ value is 26, so that is 26 centimeter. This you have find. Now see next question, ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Now this is right angled at C, this one. Okay, and if A, B, C, this is given. Now if AB equal 25, this AB hypotenuse value, this is given 25, and AC equal, see, this is 25 and the value of AC base, that is also given, that is 7. Okay, see, AC 7, AB 25, you have to find the value of BC. This one you have to find. See, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this is base. So the formula Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. Now perpendicular, hypotenuse value given 25 square, perpendicular value given, that is 7 square plus base square. Now you have to find the value of B, so it will come this side, 25 square you will do minus 7 square equals B square. Okay, now you are able to solve this. Now see question number 3. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. See, this is the ladder, this here window, and this distance is given 12 meter. See, 12 meter high window. So you have to find this one. See, this is at 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. So you can find the value of base. Which of the following can be the sides of a right angle triangle? See, do the square of this, and this. All the three sides given, you have to do its squares. If any of two will be the sum of the third one will be equal to the third one, if you do the any two sum, firstly find its squares, all three sides squares you have to find, then do their sum. Is there any pair? When you do their sum, you will get the third one, then it is right angle triangle, otherwise no. Okay, like see, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. See, if you add these two, you will not get 25. If you add these two, you will not get 4. If you add these two, you will not get this 4. So that means this is not right angle triangle. Okay, now see, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. See, that was the tree. Okay, it break down from here, so this portion will fall on the ground. Okay, now you have to find the distance from the ground. This distance, this is the top of that tree, because this now came here. Now a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground, so up to here it is 5 meter, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. So this distance is given, that is 12 meter. Now you have to find this one. Now see, this is hypotenuse, because tree is standing at 90 degree angle, so this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Now from here you will find the hypotenuse. At the last you have to find the original height of the tree. See, this portion will come from here only, so when you add this H and P, you will get the original height of the tree. Okay, now see, angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree, 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. Now see, first step, by angle sum property, you will find this one, this, and you will find this will be 90. Add these 25 and 65, that is 90. From 180 you will subtract 90, you will get 90. So P is 90. So that means this is right angle triangle. So here the property applicable is Pythagoras theorem. See, Q R is the hypotenuse because this is opposite to 90 degrees. So Q R square equal QP square plus P R square. So this one, second one, QR square equals PQ square plus RP square. Now see, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is this, diagonal is this. See, diagonal is given, length, see, this is the rectangle. Okay, its length is given, that is 40 centimeter, and its one diagonal is given, that is 41, that is 41 centimeter. Okay, now see, you have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. See, this is 90. Obviously all the angles are of 90 of a rectangle. So here, from here you can find this one, because this is hypotenuse, this is base, so this is perpendicular. You can find perpendicular. So length you have, breadth you have. So formula of perimeter is 2 multiply L plus B. Simple. Now see the next question. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now diagonal, rhombus. Rhombus is a figure whose all sides are equal and its diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect means cut in two halves. Okay, if this is complete given to you 16 and 30, this is 16, so 8 8, this is 30, so 15 15, simply. Okay, and they are of 90 90 90 90. So diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Bisect means half half. 8 8, that's 16 8 8, and the 30 15 15. So cut in halves and at 90 degree. Now see, this 8, this 15, you can find this one because this is 90, so this is hypotenuse. Now 15 square plus 8 square, that is h square. From here you can find this one. If you can find this all are same. Now the perimeter of rhombus is 4 multiply the given side. Okay.